Welcome to another TypeScript video series. In this episode, we're going to see how to use interfaces inside our functions. For this particular example, I have created my app.ts file inside my VS Code. And here, firstly, we have to make a point of interface. But before that, I'm going to create a function. I'm going to name it, let's coordinates. Okay, and this is going to be an arrow function. I'm going to leave it now empty. I'm not going to write anything. And here I'm going to create two console logs. My first console log is going to be the coordinate of x is double quotes, and here I'm gonna write something. Also, I want to have another console log here. This is gonna be for our y coordinate. Okay, let me get it back. And for this particular example, I'm gonna create an interface here. As you can see, it's ready. And this is going to be the point. And here I'm going to have the x coordinate, which is going to be pre-declared variable type is going to be number. And for the y coordinate, it's going to be pre-declared variable y. Okay, number also. Here I'm going to have the chord, and here in this in this function I'm gonna have to declare value, and for this value it's gonna get the point interface as a parameter. Okay, we have to declare it like this. Coordinate is any name. You can give any name. You can give a coordinate of points, I don't know, and just name it chord. And I'm going to get the point interface here. And let's see what's happening now. Let's print coordinate chord.x, you see. Let's print also the y coordinate, y. And for the particular example, if we're gonna give a 3D print point coordinate, we're going to get also the z coordinate, which is pre-declared variable of number. Here, see what we can do. Can we do at z? Yes, we have three choices. We have the x coordinate, we have the y coordinate, and we have the z coordinate, which is the three-dimensional coordinate inside our project. For this particular example, I'm not going to use the z coordinate. I'm deleting it now. And let's console log it. And let's say coordinates. Okay. I want what? I'm opening the parentheses. I want two coordinates. I'm going to do a function here. The x coordinate is going to be 150. And for the y coordinate, I'm going to give the 45. Let's work and see what we've got. Open my terminal window. TS node, as always. I wish to write it correctly at once. But anyways, app.ts. Let's run it. And here we have the coordinate of x is 150. And the coordinate of y is 45. Okay, what if we want to use an interface inside another interface? How we can interact with it? Okay, let's see our second example. I'm deleting this. I'm saving it. I don't want this terminal window. I exterminate it. I'm throwing it to the garbage. I open a new terminal window. And here I'm going to create an interface which is gonna be animal. Okay. I'm creating an animal name, which is gonna get the parameter of string. Okay. And for example, this animal is gonna be a bear, honey eater. And this value is gonna be boolean. Okay. Nice. So let's create our function. For example, I want to have the bear. I want to have bear again and extends the class of animal. Our function once again. Let's console log everything. Console log bear. I'm not gonna console log anything. Okay. Let's see if it's working. I have bear dot. I have its honey eater. Yes, it is. The name. It's bear. Nice. And bear once again. Honey eater. This boolean value is going to be true because every single bear eating honey, as we know. But we have a small issue here. Not every individual animal eats honey, right? The honey eating is something particular, specific for the animal named bear. How we can separate these two interfaces? But instead of doing another interface separately, I want to have the I'm going to get the upper class of animal and extend it inside my bear interface. How can I do that? I'm coming down here. I created another interface. This is a particular animal. It's, for example, bear. Nice. But this time I want to have also the specifications intended inside my animal interface. I'm going to say extends. It comes from animal. Nice. And let's try once again what we've got here. We have the bear. We're getting from animal interface. Let's see how we can separate that. How can I run everything inside bear? Okay. Okay. Let's delete everything also. So bear, honey eater. Yes, it is. Nice. But instead of this, now I want to separate something. The honey eating is something specific for bears, right? I want to paste this here. And I want to leave animal as a name. Empty. Now what we've got here, we have honey eater. Yes. How it comes? Because this interface exists inside my bear interface, and we have the honey eater. It's a boolean value. That's right. That's nice. What happens if we don't get the interface of bear and we're getting straightly the interface of animal? Can we reach the option of honey eater? Let's check out. I say bear, and now I cannot reach the honey eater option as a boolean. I have only the string name option of name. So I'm gonna keep this video very short. I hope you like it. That was a short explanation of interfaces. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until then, be safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.